Welcome to episode 4 of Clojure for Beginners. Today we write functions with defn. Functions are Clojure's building block. We'll cover defn, parameters, return values, and multi-arity. Let's fire up the REPL. Greet takes a name, returns a greeting. Calling greet with Ada gives, "Hello, Ada." Functions can take many arguments. Here's add with 2. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. The last expression becomes the return value. We square 7 and get 49. Ctrl+D exits the REPL. Now let's open a file called functions.clj. 2 comment lines for the header. First, the same greet function, this time in a file. We'll call it with Ada and print the result. Next, 2 more functions, add and square. We call add with 10 and 20 and square with 9. A docstring lives between the function name and its parameter vector. Here's cube with a docstring, returning x times x times x. Multi-arity lets one function handle different argument counts. Hello with no arguments returns a default. With a name, it greets you. Let's run the file with :bang clj-m. Hello, Ada, from our first function. Sum is 30. Add with 10 and 20. Square of 9 is 81. Cube of 4 is 64 from our Docstring function. Hello with no args prints the default. And with world, we get the full greeting. 6 outputs, each from a function we defined. You'll reach for defn everywhere. Every program uses it. Episode 4. Complete. Quick recap. defn defines a named function in one form. The last expression becomes the return value. Docstrings go between name and parameters. Multi-arity lets one function handle many arg counts. Thanks for watching episode 4. Like and subscribe for more Clojure tutorials. Next up, episode 5, conditionals with if, when, and cond.